So, Nigerian fake Igbo king in Ghana cannot do without adding a title to his name, as if they gave birth to him with a title name attached to his name. I don't know. So, you cannot stay wherever you are without any name attached to your name. So, wait, guys. Your name is not enough for you. Your papa name, join. Enough for you. Your whatever middle name. I know in Nigeria we have several names. Someone like me, my name is Delphina Tuman Yashim. I even have another name, Truman. If I want to add another one again, I go fit add from my family names. So all those names are not enough for you. You want another name to be attached. All right, guys, I come with another news. So, it's been a long time we talked about fake Igbo king on this channel. You already know the saga that went on between Ghanaians and this very man called Eze Indi Igbo, and I don't even know. What did they even call him? Eze Indi Igbo. So from now henceforth, according to what he said, that his name is no more Eze Indi Igbo. It was from the king of Igbos in Ghana. He now transferred to Eze Indi Igbo. Then now that's the chief, right? Chief. So now he's telling us that his name is no more the Eze Indi Igbo. The name is, I don't even know the new name now, guys. If you want to know, sit back like the king and the queen that you are. Let's hear what he have to say about this new name. Since he doesn't want to stay without any name attached to his name, as if they gave back to him with that very name on top in head. Guys, before we watch, I would love to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so very much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it a last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's hear what our fake Igbo king have to say today. And definitely Delphina is going to be back because of course I have a bunch of things to say at the end of this video. Let's watch.
The Southeast Traditional Ruler Council of Nigeria has formally abolished the use of the title as Igbo, King of Igbos, by any residing outside Igbo land. In its place, the council has directed that leaders of Igbo community in diaspora be addressed as Onyendu Ndi Igbo N'Uzeje, meaning Igbo leaders in diaspora. In full compliance with this directive, I, Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Judy Henetu, hereby commit to its observance and have, with immediate effect, adopt the title Onyendu Ndi Igbo in Ghana. This reflects both respect for the authority of the council, the traditional institution in Ghana, and my dedication to fostering unity, peace, and cultural dignity among the Igbo people in Ghana and their host communities. I wish to most sincerely apologize for any tension, concerns, misunderstanding, or inconveniences that the incident of 2025 may have caused to both Ghanaians and Nigerians. Peace and unity are too important to be threatened by controversy or misunderstanding. To the Ghana State, I extend my deepest respect and sincere apology regarding the unfortunate remarks made by my public relations officer during that period. The words used did not reflect my personal values, my respect for the Ghana people, or my appreciation for Ghanaians' traditional institution. I hold the Ghana State in high regard and remain committed to maintaining mutual respect and understanding with its leaders and people of Ghana State.
Ngwanu, this is what our fake Igbo king have to say. I bet you don't hear. His name is no more Eze Indi Igbo. His name is what? Can you please type in the comment section? Let's know his new name. Hey! Hey, what Ghanaians cannot do does not exist, though. I can remember when they started dragging him, but he was still saying, yeah, he is the king of Igbos in Ghana. He started with Nigerians in Ghana, and some Nigerians came out and said, no. Then he now went to saying that he's the king of Igbos in Ghana. And some Igbos too came out and said, no. Then he now transferred to Eze Indi Igbo. Now, the name is no more Eze Indi Igbo. Now the name is, I beg, type in the comment section. I cannot even call the name because all what I know in name now, fake Igbo king. Yes, Nigerian fake Igbo king in Ghana. You know, we have South African own. So we have to specify so people will understand. Now, the one for Ghana we dey talk about, Nigerian fake Igbo king for Ghana, not the one in South Africa. But what's up with the one in South Africa? What is he saying now? Maybe he's also going to come out and say the same thing. That's if he's still there. Of course, he's going to be there because he's married to a South African. So she's going to defend him just like the way fake Igbo king wife here in Ghana defended him, But, Ghana, you cannot drag them like Nigerian generator. You cannot drag them like that. They don't care if you be rich, if you get money, you don't get money. I don't know about South Africa. South Africans, if you are here, let us know. What's up with your fake Igbo king? Yes, Nigerian fake Igbo king in South Africa. How far? How are you guys dealing with him? Is he still in South Africa or he has packed his family, load and everything and ran back to Nigeria? So that's the news, guys. I got this very afternoon. I decided to bring it on here for you to see. And as you all know that when videos like this surfaced on the internet, people will not just shut up. Yes, we have people that reacted to these same videos. Let's hear what they have to say.
Congratulations to all Ghanaians. Ghanaians, you people have successfully made Igbos to become afraid in Ghana. As I'm talking to you now, the Southeast Ruler Council has abolished the use of Igbo king in diaspora. Now, the Igbo king in Ghana has come out to make this announcement that he's no longer the Igbo king in Ghana. Rather, he's now used as Igbo leader in Ghana. No more king. So I hope this peace that we all are looking for, we are going to receive it this time around, because now there's nothing like Igbo king in Ghana. We only have Igbo leader in Ghana.
Not be small thing. My problem is that if the Southeast king no send message, you no go formally make address on this issue. Our leaders, like the people, our elderly, our fathers, like if you are in the position to lead people, why una no dey even dey care for upcoming? You don't make her for life. You know the hustle again. This the title is Igbo King in Ghana have destroyed many young ones' opportunity during that time of Igbo must go, Nigeria must go in Ghana. That title caused many commotion. But instead of you as a father, as a leader, instead of you to do the necessary thing and make sure that everything ends in a very simple way to help your fellow Igbo children, young ones, I will call it children because you are a father, children, to continue their business, you quiet until you receive message from the king of your state or before you come out to address this issue. Make una dey fear God, do. Make una dey fear God, because you are an elderly man to advise the young ones. Not to do, not to do. At least make una dey pity us. We the young ones, when we still need opportunity to become somebody in life. This is your time to enjoy your investment, make things possible for yourself. Like enjoy your time. You are not hustling again. No, no, they spoil things for we where we dey hustle. We got many young Igbo boys for Ghana here when they still they hustle. I know very well. I know how many people don't lose opportunity since this issue happens last year, 2025. Well, Ghanaians, you have accepted that Igbo king in Ghana is no longer existed. So this is the time for him to represent his people as Igbo chief or Igbo leader in Ghana. So no more Igbo king. And from now on, according to the video you just watched, he's no longer a king. He's a leader of the Igbo in Ghana. Kudus. May God bless us all. May we live as one. May we live as happy Africa. God bless our whole land, Ghana.
The conqueror, the lion is here. Hey! Zobu zobu damabaye. Hey, Ezedike 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 Jamba 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 bing 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 jumbo 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 ding bing 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 Ezedike Ezedike The way to say it is say the conqueror is here. Zabu zabu, don't die. Ghanaians brought the conqueror is here. They brought him down. Zabu zabu, yeah. I love the reactions, coming from Nigerians. Yeah, some good Nigerians will never come out and support stuff like this. Even his own fellow Igbos, a lot of them came out and they be like, no, stop what you are doing. So I was just surprised that after the whole warnings and, everything coming from Nigerians, especially his own tribal people, some other kings again started their own, especially that one in South Africa. And we also heard about another one in another country, but I didn't really look into that very news. Guys, this dance there, I'm panting. So I didn't really look at that news very well though about the other one, but this South African, you and I know now. You guys should stop this kind of thing. If you go to people's country, try and calm down. Calm down for God. Calm down for Jesus. Calm down for your papa. Calm down for your mama. Calm down for your brothers. Calm down for your sisters now. So the way you come and you make them, you know what, make other people come and make them peacefully. Because you don't make small money, you want to raise your shoulder up. They show waiting. They show waiting. Especially when you manage to marry somebody from that country, you gotta behave like say you too, you come from that country. You don't know, say now your wife come from that country. Your children can claim, you as a man, your children can claim Ghanaians, but you cannot claim Ghanaian. You don't get? When you marry a Ghanaian as a man, you have to carry your wife back home. Now, Nigeria no be fatherland. Carry your wife back home. The tradition demands you marry and carry your wife back to Nigeria. That's your home. That's your wife new home too. But your children can come back. That's because Ghana is a motherland or whatever. The tradition to demands that if you are your mother's child, you can come back and claim, Ghanaian. But you as a man, and your papa now carry your wife, go back to Nigeria. I always make example with Christ in me. He came to Ghana, he get wife, he carry the wife, go back Nigeria. No be so. Christ in me. He's managing his life, but he carried his wife back to Nigeria. But people wey get money, now una know wetin una do get that money. I'm not saying abeg I'm not saying fake Igbo king put him hand inside something. I not talk that one. No, I not talk that one. But why wetin make you dey live for Ghana? You as a man carry your wife go back home. And I'm saying this because of those Nigerians that are planning to marry a Ghanaian and stay here. If you want to stay in Ghana, we women, and as they marry us now, we can be Ghanaians because we are women. As you marry, you carry a woman. The woman is now part of you. But you as a man, carry woman, go back to your country now. The woman is also part of you. So I wonder why some Nigerians stay here and they don't even want to respect themselves and live a low life, Yes, they should live a very calm and low life. Nobody go even know, say them day here. But the criminality, not even lower criminality, but the high rate of criminality most of them are doing here. And with that said, they want to be shown all over the internet. Instead of it even do it low, like underground, you want to carry yourself up because you get small change. You want to spoil other people's way. Now you see, the relationship between Nigerians and Ghanaians, now will not cause all these damages. You cause all these damages. Later, you guys will come and be saying, what? Well, guys, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel. Share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they will watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.